Can somebody name one person who doesn't love donuts? I mean, I know I do. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever you want. Well, today we about to get into all the big bag festivities with the donuts we about to make. Hey, what's up everyone? We are making homemade donuts today, but we're making them kind of different. We're doing some stuffed cheesecake donuts. I got the idea from watching Cord in the Kitchen on TikTok from his recent blueberry cheesecake donut video, and I'm just like, ooh, those are nice. So I'm gonna most definitely make those, but we're gonna make them just a little bit different. So before we get to frying our donuts, let's make our toppings first. We are doing 3 different toppings. We are doing a blueberry topping, just like Cord. We're gonna do a strawberry topping, and we're gonna do a brown sugar cinnamon topping on top of our cheesecake donuts. Yeah, my mouth watering already, and I think I can just agree my back ain't gonna ever get small at this point. I'm still working on it, but big back love. We're first starting off with our blueberry topping, so gonna add in 1 cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen. These are frozen, you can do either or. 2 tablespoons of sugar, some water. And now we're gonna cook this for the next couple minutes until it starts to boil, and then we're gonna bring it together with a slurry. And that's gonna be our blueberry compote. Now that our blueberries are cooked down some, we're gonna take a masher. We're just gonna press in on them a little bit. Now we're gonna add in a cornstarch slurry and let this come together, cook down some more and thicken up. And once all cooked down, this is how nice and thick it's gonna look. Take this off the heat, set it to the side and let it cool completely down. With the blueberry sauce cooling down, we are now gonna work on our brown sugar cinnamon topping. So I have all-purpose flour, brown sugar with cinnamon already mixed in, and butter. And all we're gonna simply do is you just combine it all together. Come on, butter. My butter don't wanna come out. Now you could do this in a processor if you want to, but we're gonna do it old-fashioned way by hand. Just take everything and just start mixing it together with our hands. Don't be afraid to press it in, press in that butter. Now you bake your streusel at 350 degrees in the oven, or you can throw it in the air fryer. Just make sure you put the appropriate time and temperature. I'm gonna air fry. All right, once it's all done cooking in the air fryer, your crumble topping will be nice, hot. You just gotta let it cool down. So after it cools down, you can just break it up with your hand as much as you want. Now, let's get to frying our donuts. And now the best part, this is how we are gonna make the donuts using Grand's butter tasting biscuits. So yeah, like I said, this is a real deal biscuit hack. I would have preferred to use the honey butter biscuits. Since those are flaky biscuits, I don't know how that would have held together in the deep fryer. So now let's go ahead and open these up. Anybody else was always scared to open these up growing up, the way they would just pop on you from out of nowhere? Let's see, it's gonna do me the same way. Fire in the hole. I guess it's not bad once you grow up. Take out your biscuits. I'm gonna be using my piping tip to help me punch the hole through because I don't have a spare bottle cap or even a small little ring to help push the dough out. So yeah, press in, pull out, and now you can just stop. The dough that's left inside right there, hey, that's your extra donut ball that you can just fry off to the side. So now let's finish doing the rest of these. And once all pressed out, this is how they are going to look. And we even have the donut holes right here. You can fry those up just as well. They're going to be just as good. So now our oil is preheated. Let's go ahead and get to frying them. Oil is all hot and ready to go. It's right at 375. Any higher than that, the donuts will cook too fast. Any lower than that, then the donuts will cook too slow. And the donuts will taste like pure oil. So now let's drop these in just a couple at a time because the temperature of the oil is gonna drop down once we drop these in. And we're gonna cook these for 2 minutes on each side. And after 2 minutes of frying on one side, this is how it's going to look. So now you flip it over and let it fry on the other side. Once done frying, they'll be golden brown, just like this. Take them out, sit them on a wire rack and let them cool. Just look at these, everyone. Just look at that. Perfect. So now we are gonna let these cool off and finish cooking the rest, and then it's gonna be time to glaze them and top them. Once all done frying, this is how they look, and these look perfectly golden, and you can tell already, they're soft. Hot, but nice and soft. So now let's go ahead and make our glaze to go over the top of these. Now to make our glaze, I got 1 cup powdered sugar, a couple tablespoons of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and now just mix this all together. All right, and once it all mixes together, you should get a nice thick glaze just like this. Not too thick and not too runny. That way you'll be able to pour it perfectly over the donuts. With your glaze, all you're gonna do is just slowly pour it over and let it cascade down and cover the donut. Shoot, these just might end up being better than Krispy Kreme. That's right, get covered in it. Once you're all done pouring that white creamy glaze all over the donuts, you're gonna let this sit for just a second. Now let's go ahead and prepare our cheesecake topping. Okay everyone, I got my cheesecake filling inside my piping bag right here. So now you can make your own cream cheese cheesecake filling, or you can go a much easier route and you can just buy the Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake filling that you can really only find at Walmart. I can't find it nowhere else, but yeah, this is a good go-to on cheesecake filling that has no eggs or stuff in it. So with the piping bag and the donuts all ready, let's go ahead and decorate the top of them. Got 3 donuts on the plate, cheesecake filling, let's go ahead and pipe them up. Stop it. Just gonna go around just like this. Cord in the kitchen, he had made a cheesecake glaze. I put an actual cheesecake filling on them. And as you can see, this blueberry compote has thickened up nicely. Take some with a spoon and just scoop it ever so nicely on top of it. For the strawberry donut, I got a couple of strawberries right here. We're just gonna place these on top. And we're also putting golden Oreos on top of it. So take you out a golden Oreo and just crumble that up. Just like that. Yep, that looks good to me. I got a homemade strawberry glaze, and so the glaze can be made the same way, just like the blueberries. Just at the end, you would blend this all together. Just gonna drizzle that across the top. And now for the brown sugar cinnamon, just take our streusel and just sprinkle it on top. Nice and simple. You can't ever go wrong with brown sugar cinnamon. A little bit more of the glaze and just go over the top of the brown streusel. And once you're all finished, this is what you have. Cheesecake stuffed donuts, a variety of them. And hey, you was able to make these also effortlessly using biscuits. So now let's go ahead and try one. All right, everyone, here we are at the end of the video. And yeah, these are looking amazing. So let's go ahead and try one out. Let me hold one up. Ooh. Cord in the kitchen. Hey, you and all your donut videos using the Grand's butter biscuits. Yeah, thanks for the idea. Just look at that. I hope it's not getting too sloppy right now. So now let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, just got the cheesecake all in the.
For your finger.
Let's go ahead and try this out. Now that is actually a real good donut. So everyone, besides me tasting the donuts, I brought in a second opinion. Hey everyone, this is Kelsey, and so I guess I can go ahead and tell y'all this is Mrs. 901 Cravings.
Hi.
Don't be camera shy. What was that?
I was just saying hi.
Yeah, but she's about to try a donut too. So now you said you would like trying without the toppings, right?
Yes, please.
Why? What, you hate cheesecake?
You know, I don't hate cheesecake. I just don't really like it that much. Wow. Those are really good.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, they're really good. They are delicious and flaky and airy, glazed to perfection. The glaze just penetrates the donut
Okay.
perfectly.
Okay.
I think that this is the optimal donut because sometimes simple is better. But these are great too. Thank you for your time.
Alright. Well, everyone, I would say this donut hack was a success. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Hey, so these were extremely easy to make. I know you can make them too. And also thank you for Cord in the Kitchen for providing the recipe. So now, if y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. Hey, share this video. That glaze is good. Share it across all social media. If you make this, tag me in y'all photos, y'all posts, y'all reels, y'all TikToks, y'all tag me in everything. Show me that y'all be making this stuff, because y'all stay letting me know that, hey Dion, I made your recipe. Okay, show me. Let me see. Message me, inbox me.
I'm sorry.
Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Alright. But alright everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.